Hello, in this video I want to show you how to join your friends in multiplayer in Lords of the Fallen. To do this, we'll need to interact with basically any vestige point and then click on the multiplayer. Now you can beckon a friend, and that means he'll be joining you. If you want to join your friend, then he needs to do basically the same thing. And when you click on it, you'll see all of your friends. I'm playing on Steam, so I have my friends list. If you're playing on different platforms, probably you have your own friends list right here. And now you simply need to click on beckon friend, and he will get the invite. Now he needs to accept it, and he will join your game. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.